Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reschedule a Runna workout. The first thing I want you to do is launch your Runna app, come here and click on plan at the bottom, and then just go ahead and come here the top right, click on this calendar icon, okay? And once we access our calendar, let me go ahead and scroll down. So these are all the runs I have scheduled. Now, if I want to reschedule any run, let's say instead of running on Saturday on week 2, I would like to run on Monday. So I'll just drag this one from Saturday, just hold on to it, and I'll drag it to, let's say, Monday, right? There we go, and I'll just place it there. And as you can see, I have rescheduled it. Make sure you come to the top right and save it though, and you're done. That is how you reschedule your Runna. Workouts really that easy and simple.